Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the access denied website error in Chrome. All right, let's begin. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open Chrome, click the three-dot menu in top right corner, and then go to Settings. Inside, access Privacy and Security, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Once the process is complete, reopen the website to see if the error is resolved. If the problem continues, check your Chrome extensions. Click the Extensions button in the bottom left corner. Inside, temporarily disable all installed extensions and try accessing the website again. If the site opens normally, enable your extensions one at a time until you identify the one causing the issue. Next, check whether you're using a VPN or proxy service. Some websites restrict access from certain IP addresses or regions, which can trigger an access denied error. Disable your VPN or proxy temporarily, refresh the page, and see if the website loads correctly. If none of these methods work, try opening the website in an incognito window. So that's basically how you can fix the access denied website error in Chrome. That's it for this video. Thanks!